y'all, so let's do some eye tip hair maintenance. It is definitely dirty, stinky, and heavy, very oily, so let's just get into this real quick. I had to stop by Ulta, and I wanted to try out Pattern by Stacey Ellis Ross. Y'all, it's supposed to be really good. Of course, my Amika and Rizo Curls, and that's just a light hold gel, but going in with this Amika first, and that's just to deep condition my hair real quick before I actually start washing it. I'm going to hold it up because it's time to take a shower. And y'all know I have to go in with my Naturium. I love Naturium. This is my go-to every time. I like to double them up because it's more moisturizing for me. But y'all, Naturium, if you have not, please don't sleep on them. Moisturizing for real if you got some dry skin, because that's your girl with the dry skin, for real, for real. So, and we're about to just go ahead and go through this whole process, and I'm going to let you guys watch as I continue to style my eye tips. So, stay tuned.
You can walk away now. We about to turn this place out.
It's the kids, they riding big. The one police try to catch riding dirty. In the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boy said she fine and pretty, and the country boy said she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Also like me, it's hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. I really don't need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Yep, it's going down.